You must include only one of the kit vials. You may, however, combine it with one specific condition, and the sessions with your patients are to be 1 week apart. That is a minimum. You can go 6 days once in a while, but don't do it on the same client very frequently. I know firsthand what it could cause if you ignore this rule. My face blew right up for 10 days and I couldn't see any clients during that period. There's one additional vial that you'll be including with every treatment, and that is the Voll Meridians. What they balance is the chakras, and they serve to open any blocked channels. It is very effective and definitely necessary. Before that, some of the patients that I saw would get so tired that it was difficult to drive home. Well, since introducing these Voll Meridians, I haven't had an episode of a patient leaving tired. Now, you can tell them that they will probably sleep very well that night, but their sleep patterns will return to normal the next day. That's because the body is reprogramming itself to accept whatever it was previously allergic to. Only once in a blue moon has a person felt worse for the first 3 days, and then they started to feel way better. There are times when a patient will feel anything from depression to sickness to I don't know what it is, but it should only last from 1 to 3 days. But like I said, that's only once in a blue moon. You probably don't realize it yet, but you are sitting on a gold mine. What we can clear from the body astounds me. I mean, what does motion sickness have to do with allergies? Everything. Once we rebalance the frequencies inside your body, that's when your body accepts the item we are clearing and it no longer reacts within your body. It's amazing all the things that we can clear and all the things that are allergy related. But anyway, it's the Voll Meridians that I wanted to drum in, and don't forget to include it on every allergy removal session that we do on our patients or our clients. Thank you.